to another adventure. So we're here in the farm. So now lots of chickens all already. We don't put them in a cage. We just let it, we just let them roam around. And we still have lot of chicks the other side. Still have there. Some chickens are there. And here. We also have here. And also here. Ito ka na ta. Newly chicks. Just yesterday. Kano ba?
Tulo.
This one. Pilam ni kawok.
Iya gida na walo. Ato sa walo.
Ano po, walo?
Oh,
Ano ba? And also that one, guys. We just let them roam around. No cage. And we also have here, and also this one here, chicks here. Lots of chicks here inside. This film na kabok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So this 7 is ready to. We will let this one next week. We will let them roam around here. We will set them free. And also we have like we have the hens here. I'm so busy. We're planning to put some cage, but still busy. Very busy. We also have here, and there's chicks in there. Where is it? There's chicks in there. And we have here. And our pigs, our sows are there. One and the other one is there. So they are both pregnant. I miss being here in the farm. It's been a while. I've never been here. So very busy. And we also have here. Pila ka bang eggs, pere?
8.
Lay eggs, 8 eggs here. This is brown chicken. Lots of here also. Tabi. Lots of chickens also there. Lots of chicks there. I'm gonna put things on in a proper way. Yeah, we cook chicken, like 4 chicken last week. Yeah, this week. Last week. So I think we have already 200 to 300 chickens here. Hopefully when it's not busy, we will put a proper cage for them. Thank you guys for watching.